Would you rather sneeze glitter every time you laugh, or have cartoon sound effects whenever you move? Pick now. No skipping.
Wait, glitter sneezing. That's basically being a human disco ball. But imagine explaining that at your own wedding.
Versus walking into a room and you hear boing, whoosh, honk. Every move? You'd sound like a one-person cartoon episode.
Low-key, that's the dream. Life's too quiet. Add a kapow when I sit down. Spice up the day.
Yeah, until you try to sneak snacks at midnight and your footsteps go clang zing. Good luck hiding then.
Fine. But sneezing glitter? My house would look like a unicorn exploded. I'd never get my security deposit back.
So what's it gonna be? Sparkly sneezes or cartoon sound effects? Drop your pick in the comments. Let's settle this.